Tonight, we continue to follow that breaking news out of Kittery, Maine, where a carbon monoxide incident at a daycare sent 7 people to the hospital. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Courtney Cole. We have now learned that those patients that were hospitalized are expected to be okay. We want to get you right out to WBZ's Tammy Mutasa, who joins us live in Kittery tonight with the very latest. Tammy.
Courtney, and tonight you can just imagine how frightening it was for parents to get a call that their children were potentially exposed to carbon monoxide. Right now, you see behind me, the state fire marshal's office is still here investigating, trying to figure out exactly what happened.
Possible carbon monoxide poisoning in Kittery at 1 of Route 236. It is a daycare. As many ambulances as possible.
Inside a daycare, a suspected carbon monoxide emergency. 7 children in ambulances were rushed to Portsmouth Regional Hospital, and 4 adults took themselves to the emergency room. First responders say they were potentially exposed to carbon monoxide.
We can get an ambulance around the back. We have a priority patient vomiting, bad headache.
An urgent 911 call went to first responders as 27 children and 10 staff were inside the building blocks daycare at the time. We did some digging. A state inspection report shows as of last August, the daycare had a working carbon monoxide detector inside. Thankfully, first responders say no one died and no one was seriously hurt. Hospital officials say all the patients are in fair condition, meaning they're expected to be okay. And back out here live, this is still very much an active investigation. At last check, the hospital said 1 child and 1 adult are still in the hospital, but they are expected to go home tonight. Again, everybody is expected to be okay. For now, live in Kittery, Maine, Tammy Mutasa, WBZ News.
Tammy, thank you.